everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are celebrating a very monumental milestone in the history of education in Nigeria and Igboland. Get ready to dive into the incredible legacy of Dennis Memorial Grammar School, Onitsha, also known as DMGS, as it marks its 100th anniversary today. Yes, you heard it. 10 decades of excellence, 10 decades of discipline and academic brilliance. So, let's take a trip down memory lane to where it all began. DMGS was established on January 25th, 1925 by the Church Missionary Society, CMS. Fun fact, classes officially started that very day, making today, January 25th, extra special. But did you know that the school was named after Archdeacon T.J. Dennis? His story is one of true heroism. He tragically drowned at sea in 1917 while attempting to save the manuscript of the first Igbo Bible. Now that's dedication. The school's first principal was none other than Reverend Father J.C. Taylor, who led DMGS into becoming a beacon of academic excellence. Over the years, DMGS earned the title of being the oldest secondary school in Igboland and one of the very oldest in Nigeria, and it has remained renowned for its discipline and high academic standards. Now, let's talk about some of the remarkable legends that this institution has produced so far in the history of DMGS. DMGS isn't just a school, it's a powerhouse of trailblazers and history makers. Here are some of its incredible alumni that you'll be shocked they actually attended this school. We have Professor Kenneth Onwuka-Dike, the first Nigerian professor of history and senior prefect of the DMGS class of 1936. Then we have Professor James O.C. Ezulo, Nigeria's first professor of mathematics, DMGS class of 1948. Another is Professor Gilbert O. Onu, the first Nigerian professor of pharmacology, DMGS class of 1944. Then we have another very interesting alumni, Mr. Samuel Onoche Ogazi, the second African/Nigerian principal of DMGS, class of 1939. We have Igwe Captain Sir Dr. Walter C. Eze, DMGS class of 1945. Prince Alexander Okoli, Nigeria's first geologist, class of 1953. Engineer Dr. Emmanuel Egboka, the first Nigerian petroleum engineer, class of 1961. And there is Engineer Isaac Iweka, the first Igbo man to become an engineer, class of 1930. And we have the incredible Obinna Iyegu, aka Obi Kubana. Yes, the CEO of the Kubana Group is also a proud DMGS old boy. These are just the very few amongst the so many who are alumni from this school. And that's just scratching the surface. DMGS has produced countless professors, professionals and leaders who have shaped Nigeria's history across different fields. This legacy isn't just a testimony to academic excellence, but also to the enduring values of hard work and discipline that DMGS instills in its students. And now, to all the old boys of DMGS, this celebration is specially for you. If you're an alumnus, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Just kindly type, "I am an alumnus." Share your memories, your favorite moments, or even your class year. Let's relive the golden days together. Here is to 100 years of Dennis Memorial Grammar School, Onitsha. A school that continues to stand tall, inspiring future generations and proving that excellence truly stands the test of time. Congratulations DMGS, here's to another century of greatness. This is Faith Carlo. I will see you in our next video.